Today I discuss about income tax in USA. When you live in USA and you have a job and you get a limited salaries and total salaries is per year is amounted and you get a profit fixed salary fixed income tax in USA government. Now I explain you provide USA government tax in some rules. Filing status. When filing your federal income tax return, you must choose a filing status. The most common status include single married, and filing joint married, filing separate head of household, and qualifying window with department child. Taxable income. Your taxable income is general. Your total income means any allowable uh, dedication and expection. Tax bracket. The United States uses a previous that the tax rate increase as your income increase. The tax rate are divided into several brackets with higher income level taxed at high rate. Dedication and credit. The ISR allow various dedication and credit that can reduce your taxable income and tax liability. Common deduction include those for mortar interest, student loan interest, and medical expenses. Common tax credit include the child tax credit, earned in tax credit, and American opportunity credit for education tax form. Individual topically used for 1040 A or 1040 EZ to file their federal income tax return. The complexity of the form you need to use depend on your financial situation. Filing deadline. The federal income tax filing deadline is usually a 15 April unless it fall a week or no holiday. In that case, the deadline is extended to the next business day. Extension. If you cannot file your tax by the deadline, you can request a filing action which will give additional time to submit your return. However, an extension does not grant you extra time to pay a taxes void. State tax. In addition to federal income tax, must state also levy their own income tax, and the rules and rate vary by state. You may need to file both federal and start into the tax return. Tax taxed with no holding. Many people have taxed with help from their paycheck by their employer. The amount on withhold is based on their information you provide on W4 form. IRS audits. In the event the tax IRS has a concern about your tax return, they may edit your return to verify information. It's essential to keep accurate record and documentation to support your tax return. Penalties and interest. Failing to pay your tax to file or the return on time can result in penalties and interest charges. It's important to pay attention to deadline to avoid those additional costs. Tax software and performance. Many individuals use tax preparation software or with the help tax to professional to ensure accurate and timely tax filings. Please be aware that tax laws and regulation can change your time, so in important to consult the master reason IRS publication to seek guidance for a tax professional. All professional when preparing your income tax return. Additionally, state income rules and regulation may differ from federal rules. Also, when you earn around 5,78,125, you and jointly you and your wife jointly 69 and $3,750, and you provide your total amount of 37% when you earn 2,31,250, and jointly you earn 4,62,500. You provide 35% income tax in USA government. When you earn 1,82,100, you provide 32% in USA the government for income tax. So we can understand the income tax in USA government rules. So